Hi, team. So congratulations on joining our team. And you have now reached the very exciting moment of picking out your starter kit. This is a very fabulous time. We know we love shopping, and maybe you're watching this video also to help you pick out your rich rewards. So rich rewards redemption of free jewelry has the same guidelines as starter kits, which I will talk about during this as well. So this will help you pick out both of those. As you're picking out your starter kit, you definitely do want to pick things that you love. It is okay to pick things that you love, because what you love, you're going to want to show. So feel free to pick out things that you love. At the same time, you do want to pick out a variety. And I'm going to share with you what some of that variety can look like, so that you're able to show a nice assortment of things when you're doing Facebook Lives and when you're doing your parties. And it also helps to pick things that will allow you to show at least one complete look, so that people can create the whole look that you showed, for those that really do like to have that guidance when they are being styled. So now let's address the sale really quick, so that you know what it is that you're trying to achieve. Because remember, the sale is that the guest gets to pick 2 pieces at regular price. Those pieces are their lowest 2 pieces. Then they get as many as 4 more pieces at half price. Those pieces can be any price at all. So that's part 1. And then part 2 is that with a $90 or more purchase, they then get to pick out a bonus item as high as $200 for $30. Now, there may be times where the sale has double bonuses. There may be time where there's a free, things get added on at certain times, but the sale, that's the sale that is pretty standard. So again, as you are picking out your jewelry, you want to have things in those variety of price points, because that will allow you to create the desire for people to want to place an order that will take advantage of that sale. So let's start out with a couple of our lower price point pieces. And a lot of times those turn out to be earrings. So you'll find that if you ever watch my show, I pretty much always start with these 2 pairs of earrings, the Whisper earrings and the Moana earrings. These both are only $26 each. The Whispers come in gold or silver. The Moanas come in gold, silver, or rose gold. And they look great on everybody. They're super light, and they're just fantastic starter earrings. So those are both great to pick and are eligible for kits. What you'll also find you can do if you want to have a smaller pair of dangly earrings to show, a very popular selection is the Birdie Earrings. These also come in gold or silver and are great sellers. For the studs, you can always do Dottie earrings. These are only $20, and they come in all 4 metal colors. So those are all things that help you start out with some great low price pieces to kick off their order. Now, 2 low price pieces that also double up as a complete look is if you were to put the Rue in as well. So the Rue is an earring and a necklace. So this comes in gold, silver, or rose gold, 28 and 34. So sometimes people will just grab that whole set, and then they're ready to start picking out half price items. Now, for some necklace looks, there's another necklace look that will also give you a complete set, would be to get some animal print into your kit. There's a lot of people that like that. So these are the Roar earrings, and this is the Sassy necklace. This actually has a little bit of a furry texture to it, and the Roar necklace is reversible. So they get that flexibility of not needing to wear it as an animal print necklace all the time. They can certainly wear it on the gold side, which has a beautiful brush texture to it. So both of those are moderately priced and provide that complete look, and that you could blend with some other things. If you do love the animal print yourself, you could do Espresso Earrings, which are a nice sturdy hoop. And you could extend that into a gold and black look and an animal print look if you wanted to do safari bracelets. You can do the Tatum bracelet set, or I'm not 100% sure you can do the Radley. I just happen to have it on this bracelet pillow, but there are some looks that you can do there that will enhance your necklaces. Now, pearls is a very popular look. So we have some great things that you can put in your kit to do that one. One of them is the Brinley necklace. So the Brinley necklace is only $30, and it is 5 genuine freshwater pearls on a gold tone chain. So super popular seller. You could have layered that in with anything that I'm currently wearing, which is another look that you could put together with your starter kit. So you have this is the Misti necklace with the single freshwater pearl on with all the faceted gold beads. This one is called chiffon, all freshwater pearls, little heart at the bottom with a barrel of crystals on it, which is why I layered it with the Craze necklace, which is so popular, comes in gold or silver, only $44. And what's great about this combination is that this piece, the chiffon, is likely to be someone's bonus item. They will not want to spend 100 something on it. They can take this as their $30 bonus item. So when we create desire for a whole look, they'll do something as their low, some things for their half, and then choose one as the bonus item. So you definitely want to have something higher end in your kit. Other pearl looks you might consider would be the Freshwater Earrings. So these are threader style earrings, half price item. This is about a 20-something item, which people love, as well as a cashmere bracelet. So the cashmere bracelet is a cuff style, meaning it's like that open top bangle that people love because it's easy to just pop on and it always fits. And then you're able to show them how to stack that bracelet with other gold bracelets, which is what we're going to talk about in a second. So now, just as another little reminder. So I'm sharing with you things that as of the moment I am recording this, that are available and eligible for kits and rich rewards. Now, something that does occur is that sometimes maybe an item goes on back order, or we have low stock on an item. If that's the case, then the company, of course, takes the liberty of removing them from eligibility of kits, because why would you want to put something on your rich rewards or in your kits that's on back order or we have low stock on, because then you're going to show people things that maybe they're going to have to wait for and whatnot. So it doesn't happen all that often, but it does occur. And I just want you to be assured that if you are trying to enter your kit and it's saying unavailable, that's why, and just simply move on to another item. We sell thousands of pieces, and there are hundreds of pieces in the current collection. And there's definitely no reason to sweat it if something you wanted isn't here, because we have so many opportunities to earn jewelry and to score deals and stuff that you can always simply get it another time. And that includes, again, your rich rewards as well. And the other thing to keep in mind is that your kit really is comprised of two things. It's comprised of the kit that you're going to pick out, assuming, let's say you did a $99 kit, you're getting to pick out $500 worth of jewelry. But part two of your kit is the host benefits of your launch party. And that means that really, if you have 10 orders on your launch party, that's $400 in credit right there, plus a thank you award, whatever you choose to take for half price. So a great strategy is when you're picking out your kit, anything that you're not able to put in your kit because it comes up unavailable and they're not allowing them in kits, just make a list. Then when you do your hostess order, put it on your hostess order so that then you can get those pieces that are not available in kits. Okay, so let's move on to some earrings. I showed a bunch of those lower price earrings in the beginning, and there are, of course, many other options you can choose as well. Fun statement earrings that are popular. You could do the juniper earrings, which allows you to talk about natural stones, to talk about how fun statement earrings are, how you can bring some color into your outfit. So the juniper really does cover a lot of bases for you. And for that maximalist that you're going to find at your show, you're going to love to have Dolce earrings as a fun statement earring as well. Crystal next to your face makes you look well rested. Well, you'll be Rumpelstiltskin, looking like Rumpelstiltskin woke up after his nice long nap after wearing these next to your face, right? So those are all fun. Bracelets. We have so many bracelets. So you may want to consider different styles of bracelets. So bracelets that people love because they're easy to wear and always look great are the Rika bracelet. You can get this in gold or silver, and it's a stretchy bangle. The lifestyle bracelet comes in gold, silver, or black. And again, pops on so easily. This is a great everyday bracelet. So both of these are a very moderate $40 price point, great half price pieces, and beloved bracelets. If you want to help people out doing the crossover to the mixed metal so that they can wear gold, silver, rose gold together, you can never go wrong with a Lovey bracelet. The Lovey bracelet is another beloved piece. It's stretchy and has all those metals together so that when you pop it on, it helps bring all of the different metals together. And this is like your unifying piece that helps you pull off that mixed metal look. We also have bracelet sets that will be helpful for you to have. If you want to put a set from our brand new collection in here, we learned that the garden bracelets are eligible for kits. The general rule with brand new line jewelry, meaning it just came out this season, is $75 and under price point of brand new line jewelry that cannot be put in a kit. Higher end pieces, 80 and above, can. And again, that's where I would also suggest what I said earlier, which is to put those brand new line items that are under $75 onto your host order from your launch party or any future order you may be doing. But the garden is over that price point. That will give you some color, some whimsy with the flowers, and also allows you to tie in other bracelet sets that you might have or choose in the future that are very popular, such as the Denali bracelets, because they also have that beady, sparkly look. You can also do Denalis in the black and silver if you prefer, instead of gold and silver. So lots of fantastic types. If you want to have a nice statement bracelet, you could do the bombshell is allowed. This comes in pink or white. And another new line bracelet that you can pick with your RRC as well as in your kit is the new Able bracelet with the genuine agate stones and the arched cross. So all of those you can put in. And again, some is going to go in your kit, but that $500 goes quick. So some of these things you might be putting on rich rewards moving forward. If you'd like to do some rose gold to make sure that you have a little bit of a variety of that in your kit, for a lower price point piece, you might decide you want an Illuminate necklace. This is only $34 and has the whimsical good luck dragonfly on here. And you can meet your chains. The chain trend is huge right now. So you can knock out a bunch of different things you're trying to cover with an ambrosia necklace, because ambrosia will give you layered, it will give you chain, and it will give you rose gold all in one piece. It does separate, so you can talk about how they can wear, you know, only 2 strands or only 3 strands or whatever they want to do. But you can put an ambrosia in your kit, or you can put the brand new Galaxy. So the Galaxy necklace, again, 3 layers that do come apart. So you can talk about layering again. In the soft rose gold, is available for kits. And when you're choosing your bracelets, if you want to show that we have bracelets that open and close, you can take a jewel bracelet, but make it in rose gold so that you have some rose gold in your kit while showing one of our most popular bracelets. Framing and long necklaces is another staple. Like, women love having long necklaces. They wear them with cardigans, they wear them with blazers, they wear them with denim jackets. So I would say some very popular ones, wardrobe staple, 100% is your chalice necklace. It has that coin look. It has fleckles of silver throughout. So whether they want to wear silver or gold, they will, it presents gold, but there is silver in it. So you can do a nice multi look, and you can double it up, closing it like this if you'd like. So that is a great choice. Something plainer, or if you want to do, in this also comes in silver or gold, is the rosewood. This is a $68 piece, so a great half price choice. It has the decorative chain and is another great framing necklace. And if you'd like to have a long necklace that has the natural stones and more of like a boho type look to it, then you could do the Sahara necklace. This is agate stones in all the blush colors. It has the little charm at the bottom. I did stick on here the additional little new butterfly charm, which you won't be able to put in your rich rewards, but you could definitely get on your host order or any other regular customer order moving forward, and have that to kind of have fun with in your kit. So as you are picking out your kit, again, if there's anything that you would have wanted, always just jot it down and keep a list on the side, because if you already did your host order, you're going to have other opportunities to grab jewelry, and you will be able to have so many opportunities to add jewelry to your kit. So the Alexa necklace, again, one of our top sellers that will help you with all different things you want to talk about. The chains, the layers, comes in gold or silver. It comes all apart. So this is one of our very, very best sellers. It is $60 normally. So many people take it as a half price item, which makes it $10 per strand. That's just amazing value. So happy kit shopping, happy RRC redemption, and be smart and use those rich rewards month after month after month to continue to add to your collection so that you can do fun prizes, you can enhance your kit, and we just always love more free jewelry. So if you have any questions about this or anything else, always reach out to your leader, or of course, shoot me a message as well. Happy kit shopping.